Hello.
What's up, YouTubers?
For today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a thumbnail for your videos for free by screen recording on my computer and taking you step by step on how to do it. So without further ado, let's go learn how to make a thumbnail for free.
It's gonna be crazy.
Alright guys, let's get to it. So I'm going to show you how to make yourself a thumbnail for free on PicMonkey.com. Now they do have a subscription service where you can pay for it. I figured out how to do it for free. What you're going to do is take the image that you want, either a picture you've taken on your phone or a screenshot from the video that you just shot, and you're going to use that as your thumbnail. For example, I'm going to use this photo. And what you're going to want to do, like I said, is go to PicMonkey.com. Click on Edit New Image. Grab the image from your desktop, or you can even select it like I'm going to do here. Then you go to image name and type in, what I like to do is the name of the video, so that way I know what it's for. So in this case, the thumbnail video, because I'm teaching you how to make a thumbnail. And then here's our image. We're going to click on crop canvas, and you're going to scroll all the way down until you see YouTube thumbnail. There it is. Click on that. And it's going to make it the exact size it has to be. So drag it and position it exactly how you want it to look. And then I usually like to go and do like an auto adjust on the image just so it like puts it in the right coloring. And then you can select from any of those effects. I've used a couple different ones, and they're all really, really cool. Like I want to try and take some of the saturation out in this photo so it's not super orange. And then you go to your text, and you can put whatever you want. You can put the name of the video on here, or you can put like some sort of eye-catching phrase so that people are attracted to the video. So remember, your thumbnails are what's going to drive people, or one of the main factors that'll drive people to your video. So make sure you use like bold text, big lettering, bright colors, so that way people are more likely to click on your video. I suggest also using a bigger font, so that way when people are watching on their mobile phones, it's easy for them to read the text on the thumbnail, because believe it or not, a big majority of people watch YouTube videos on their phone. Here I'm going to position the words exactly where I want them, like so. And I usually like to go to effects and add an outline to make the lettering a little bit bigger, and I add a color in this part. So for this one, I'm going to use, let's go with this like turquoisey teal, since it's the week of Easter. And then I'm going to make it a little bit bigger because we want our subscribers on mobile to be able to read it easily. And then you can add another text separately. And here we're going to write for free, just because I know a lot of programs and websites charge to do it. So we're going to show you how to do it for free. Go to effects, outline. Let's make it red. How about that? Oops, maybe it's on the other end. Here we go. Okay. And there's red. Let's close out and reposition it so it's not across my face. There we go. Make it look like I'm looking at it. There we go. And that's my thumbnail. Bright, eye-catching, fits our theme on our channel with a picture of both of us. Like the lighting and the coloring. Now what you're going to want to do is just screenshot it with its Command-Shift-4 and make sure you get it as accurately as you can. And there you'll see at the bottom it's captured, and I'm going to save it on my desktop. And that's all there is to it. That's how you get it for free. That's my tips on how to make your thumbnail eye-catching and how to get people driven to your channel. And that's it. It's super easy, super simple, and the best part is it's free. So
without further ado, I'm going to shout out 3 of our followers
from
on Instagram. The first one is THJ Gamer YT.
Ooh, sounds like a YouTube channel.
And then second one, let's go with Ella_Rose552.
Ooh, let me pick
And
one.
then you do the third.
Let's do birdie.edits.lovesart009.
I like it.
She's an artiste. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful. I hope I taught you how to do thumbnails easy as 1, 2, 3. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below anything else you'd like to see us do. But until next time, we're just hanging out today. See ya.